So friends, let's start the conservation of soil erosion. So let's start this topic, that is conservation of soil erosion. And yes, this is the last topic of the entire chapter, that is conservation of soil erosion. So let's start this topic, that is conservation of soil erosion. Conservation of soil erosion. Okay. So let's start this one, conservation of soil erosion. So here what are the methods? So first very important method is known as contour plowing, है ना? Contour plowing. Contour plowing, fine. So here how you can describe this contour plowing. So here this contour plowing, first of all, it is done in the mountainous region. It is done basically in the mountainous region, fine. So suppose this is the mountainous region is there. So in this mountainous region, what is happening whenever the water is coming down, since it is having very steep slope, so water is running down very fast and it is eroding the soil also. So in that case, what we are doing, we are developing the particular contours here. So these contours are we are developing like that. Okay, we are developing like that. These contours we are developing in all the sides. It is like that. Fine. Like understood. I hope you can see that very nicely. So here in this particular contour lines, you can see here now we are doing farming against the slope of the mountain. So since we are doing the farming against the slope of the mountain, so the running water speed will also slow down, as well as the farmers can do the cultivation in a better way. Fine. So what is the meaning of contour plowing? Contour plowing is a type of farming where we are doing the farming against the slope of the mountain. Fine. So I hope this is clear to all of you. Now the next one is here in the second one, that is known as step farming. Step farming. Step farming, you all know, very famous method of farming in the mountainous region again. So in this mountainous region, this time what we will do, instead of contour plowing, now we will make steps, है ना? So here we will make steps. So let's make here steps. So this side we are see this side, you can see the steps we are making here. Fine. So this type of steps we are making. Why we are making these steps? So we are making steps so that the running water speed can come down, as well as the water can also retain here. So since water will retain here in this particular plain area, you can see here we have the plain area, here we have the plain area, here we have the plain area. So in this plain area now water will retain, and since water will retain, so farmer will also get easily water, and the farming can also done in a very nice manner. So this is the step farming for all of you. Now we have the next very important one, that is called as that is third one is called as strip farming. Strip farming. So in strip farming, what basically we are doing, in strip farming we are dividing the large agricultural land into the small strips, है ना? Suppose this is the agricultural land we have. So this agricultural land we will divide into the small strips. Okay, like that. So suppose if we don't have the these strips, so what will happen? This soil will easily get eroded from here and it will come to this particular place, है ना? So that will be the big loss. So instead of that, you are dividing the agricultural land into the small particular strips here, and along this strip line you are you are adding here the grasses or the stones. So you have the grasses or the stones on this particular lines, so that the soil will not pass from one area to another area, and it will be there in one particular area only. So this type of farming is known as strip farming. I hope this is clear to all of you. Now the next one is fourth one, that is called as that is called as shelter belts. Fine. Shelter belts. So what is shelter belts? Shelter belts are basically here. Suppose again I am drawing here one diagram. So you are having the agricultural land like that. So this agricultural land from the border. So border you are planting the trees. Okay, you are planting the trees. From all the sides you are planting the trees here. So what will happen? Now suppose if any wind is coming in this particular area, so wind cannot enter into this particular land with full force, because the trees will block the speed of the wind, है ना? And these trees are also having the root which will try to capture this particular soil very nicely and strongly. So these trees can protect certainly the soil to be eroded. Fine. So this planting trees on the border area of the agricultural land is called as shelter belts. So these four methods are there. There is contour plowing, step farming, strip farming, and this shelter belts. Fine. Now apart from that, some additional points also you can write on the basis of which marks of question has been asked. So these are the other methods. So what can be the other methods? Like we have seen in case of land degradation also. So land degradation solution we have seen now. So what were the reasons? Like deforestation. So what can be the solution? Afforestation. You should plant more trees and all. Fine. Now the next one is next one can be overgrazing. So limit the overgrazing, है ना? So this type of points you can also write here. Mining. So regulate the mining activities. So this type of points you can also write in the other particular points, है ना? So that your number of points can increase. So I hope this is very much clear to all of you. Contour plowing, we are doing the plowing against the slope of the mountain. Step farming, we are converting the slope into the step so that the water can retain and farming can be done very easily. Strip farming, we are breaking the large agricultural area into the small strips, and these strips we are doing with the grasses and stones. And these shelter belts, we are planting trees along the border of the agricultural land so that this wind will slow down the wind speed. Fine. So these are some process, some methods for the soil, for the conservation of soil erosion. I hope you have understood completely nicely. Now at last, I'll give you the short recap of the entire chapter. So in this entire chapter, first of all, we have discussed about the soil as a resource, soil as a resource we have seen at last. What we have seen from beginning? We have seen from beginning the definition of resource. Then I have explained you about the classification of resource. Then I have explained you about the resource and development, means development of resource. And if you are doing exploitation of the resources, and what can be the damage that can happen to our entire environment, that also I have explained to you. Apart from that, I have also explained to you what can be the solution of this over exploitation of the resources. So solution is sustainable development, and sustainable development is very very important topic that comes in examination. And for achieving this sustainable development, our entire means around 100 countries have did one summit which is called as first International Earth Summit, in which Agenda 21 also we have seen, which took place in Rio de Janeiro. Then after that, I have also explained you about the resource planning, in which we have to identify the resources. Then we have to make proper planning, and the plan should match with the national plan. After that, I have also explained to you about the land as a resource, in which I have told you about the land use pattern and what are the land uses. And I have also told you about the land degradation and the conservation method also. Then at last, we have seen about the soil as a resource, in which I have told you what are the factors which are affecting the soil formation. Then I have also explained you about the classification of soil. Then soil, what is soil erosion and what are these types of soil erosion. And at last, I have also explained you about the conservation of soil erosion. The conservative means the solution for the soil erosion, how you can protect soil to be eroded. So these many topics we have seen very nicely, successfully. I hope this entire chapter is very much clear to all of you. If you have liked the video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, thank you.